Breathing in and breathing out. You can observe the breathing either at the abdomen or at the nose or in the chest. Anything that will help you to hold your attention to maintain awareness. Let's try it for a few breaths. Breathing in, breathing out, very naturally. It's not something we are controlling, it's something we are observing. Breathing in, breathing out. It really is that simple, but there's a little catch, and that's the mind. Because the mind, it's going to wander. I can guarantee you, within, let's say, 1 minute, your mind is going to start wandering, thinking about some other story. That's fine. That is not a mistake. It's how we handle that wandering mind that helps us develop our meditation, mindfulness practice. Very simply, when you see that your mind has wandered, let's say there's a meeting tomorrow and you're thinking about that, simply bring the attention back to the breathing. Breathing in, breathing out. There. Now you're back with the breath. You may close your eyes, and within 30 seconds, your mind has wandered, this time to the past. Maybe you made a mistake yesterday, or something happened, you're thinking about it again. Well, it's already passed. So come back to the present breath. Breathing in, breathing out. So mindfulness meditation is twofold. We're trying to hold attention on the breath. We realize that the mind will wander. So when it does wander, we simply bring it back to the present moment, the present breath. Breathing in and breathing out. The simplest instructions you can think of. When the mind wanders to some other situation, you become aware of that and bring the mind back. If you like, you can breathe the mind back, or we can say inhale the mind back to the present. So the mind wanders. Just inhale yourself back to the present moment. This is it. This is mindfulness. The first point, we observe the breathing, naturally, without control. The second point, the mind naturally will wander. We simply bring it back to the present moment. And we practice, and we practice. You'll realize that sometimes the mind wanders for 10 seconds, sometimes it wanders for a minute. There's no right or wrong. The key is to observe, to be aware. At some point, the mind has wandered. Inhale yourself back to the present moment. Continue practicing. Let me just throw a number out there. Try it for 20 minutes at a time. 30 minutes if you like, cool. But let's say 20 minutes if you really want to get a challenge and to get some benefits. Now, if you can do this in the morning and in the evening, 7 p.m., 8 p.m., whatever's a suitable time, before you're too tired, see for yourself what the benefits may be. I won't mention benefits because I have no expectations. I simply observe the breathing. When the mind wanders, I simply bring it back. Try it, and you will see how it influences your feelings and your thoughts and your overall well-being.